Hello, Lovey. So, last Saturday, we visited again the Elixir Aesthetic Center sa Argao para mag-avail sa ilahang services. So, today we'll be enjoying three services with them. First one would be the Celestial Drip. Kanina drip na ani siya anti-acne, collagen, and immunity booster. So, that's a 3-in-1 Celestial Drip. So in the video, you will see Ara performing the celestial drip insertion sa ako ang arm. And that is the first process. And afterwards is the cleansing of my face. If you can see Giselle, nag-cleanse akong face using wet wipes. And then afterwards is the application of facial cleanser and lathering it onto my face and massaging it as well. So, baona siya. While nag-celestial drip ta, nag-facial pud ta. That's the Korean glass skin facial treatment. Then after the cleanser, then we will have the scrub. The facial scrub is being lathered and massaged onto my face right now. And then it will take a few minutes para mahuman na siya until it sort of dries up. After the facial scrub, we will have then the steam turned on and then we'll proceed to the pricking of the nose and other face areas. Mao na siya si Giselle, guys. And she's pricking my nose as of the moment. And daghan na siya mga natangtang na buling-buling diha, mga whiteheads and blackheads from my nose area and from the different parts of my face. Afterwards is the suction of the impurities. Murag ra po ni siya nagprick pero using suction machine. Gisak out na niya ang mga impurities sa imong face, mga blackheads, mga whiteheads, and even the dirt, mga stubborn dirt sa inyong naong, apil sad. After the suction is the application of the serum which has retinol, and this will also be massaged and lathered onto my face para mo glide through lang ang mga equipments na gamiton later on. So mo na siya gimassage na ni Giselle ang serum sa ato ang naong in preparation for the next step, which is the galvanic machine. Ang galvanic machine mo na siya gipa-slide na sa inyong naong pero it helps in flattening the pores sa inyong face. So with the galvanic machine, it can help in flattening the pores and also toning the face. So mo na siya ang next step sa Korean glass skin facial treatment. Then after the galvanic machine is the eye bag removal process. Mao na siya ang machine na ginagamit ni Giselle para mo-remove or to lighten the dark circles and remove the eye bags sa ato ang dagway. Mao na siya ang next step, guys. Then after this process, gipush na dayon ang remaining na celestial drip ni Ara para dali na siya mahuman kay gamay na lang ang nabilin sa IV. Then afterwards is the cold hammer. This process is to close the pores. Kay ganina gi-open man ang pores sa ato ang steam process and the pricking process. Then the next one will be the cold hammer. Pinaka-relaxing ni siya na step sa Korean glass skin, guys. Kay bugnaw kayo ang equipment na gigamit para na siya ma-close ang inyuhang mga pores. Then the next step would be the high frequency, which is antibacterial. Kani ipang-igon ang mga impurities sa naong para ma-remove ang mga causes of acne and mga stubborn dirt sa inyong naong, guys. Mo na siya antibacterial na high frequency machine. Next step is the Pico Laser. Ang Pico Laser is to remove dark spots, acne marks sa atong mga naong. So that is laser shot right directly to the acne scars and dark spots sa inyong face. So thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you can support the Elixir Aesthetic Center Argao. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me in this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much, lovies. Have a great day.